Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Okay, so we need to talk about something. I almost did this video yesterday because I felt it was such a big deal, but because I actually wrote about it on the Discord server. So, how to solve a problem. So, I know this is going to sound cliche, but the first time you really do it, where you have this problem that seems formidable, unsolvable, but if you break it down into the components that are small enough to be able to solve it, it then becomes solvable. So I'll say that again. So when you're coming at anything, whatever problem you have, start breaking it up into solvable problems. Either something that is already a tool out there or something that you can build. And then if it's still too big, so break it down smaller. So one of the lines, and as I was writing, and I'm not a writer, that's why the book was so stalled, and that's why the course is going well. But it came out, so it dawned on me, so I want to share this. You can literally only write one line of code at a time. Well, typically, that line of code is solving some sort of problem, either solving or setting up to solve if you're writing a function. So do not attempt to solve and write the whole problem, because you won't be able to. You're going to have some sort of bug or multiple bugs, and then that becomes, you're then creating a problem in and of itself. So when you have an issue, storyboard it. Go through the steps. Like, what do I have? What is my issue? Okay. Then, so basically, I'm here and I'm here. How do I get from A to Z? Okay. Well, I know I can do this. I can get to B. Okay. Ooh. Well, I can skip all the way to G with this step. Do not try to continuously look over the mountain at Z and wonder how you're going to get there. It's just like a rock climber. They don't look at the peak, they look at their next hold. Okay? That's what I want you to think about. Just be focused on the next place you're going to create something. If I have a string and I need to order something in it, I put it into a list. I split it. Because I can take my list and I can sort a list. And then I can do multiple things with this. So do not try to solve, and be careful the step that you take, that it is what you are expecting, because you can end up down a path that you're not expecting. So storyboard this out. Go, okay, I want to go here, I want to go here, I want to go here. And you may even then be able to skip a step. Be like, okay, I can do this, or optimize the code. Be like, wait a minute, I'm trying to do this, but I don't need to. So storyboard it out, make it work, and then come back and optimize it. So there we go. All right, now on to what I need you guys to decide and the information. So I'm getting down close to the deadline for the course, and I don't know if I'll be able to put out videos next week. I may just do little snippet pieces of things that I've seen questions on that I have kind of in my back pocket, or things that I've run across while doing the course, and go, here's a very cool thing. But I need to know where we are. Do we want to make a clock? I think that was the thing. Or do we want to do unit testing? So jump over to vote. Yeah, let's see. Unit testing. We did networking. And here we are. Real-time clock using Python. So here we're down to it. So right now, unit testing is at 4, and the clock is at 3. So those are our two options, and it may be a week. After this, we'll see. Well, I know it'll be a week for one of these, and we may not have any videos next week, because I'm really trying to get this course done, and I storyboarded it out. I still have about 35 hours of my time to spit out the exercises, because I have, just to give you an idea, I have to, of course, come up with the exercise, then write it and test it, and then I need to write code on the backside on the server to then test the outcomes. So I get to do the problem like 3 times while you guys just get to do it once. But there we go, guys, a little bit of insight, but I cannot say enough. Make roadmap the problem, and do not try to just solve it all at one time, because you'll end up lost in a different direction, especially one that you weren't really expecting. So let one foothold, one rock hold lead to another. All right. So there we go, guys. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hey, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and stay tuned. Stay tuned until the end to watch the videos that I bet you haven't seen before. All right, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.